So here's the scenario. You want to keep up with the stock market, but maybe you work a full-time job. You don't want your boss to see you trading while you're at work. Maybe IT blocks all the stock trading websites. Maybe you're a full-time mother and you're out running errands with the kids, but you still need to keep up with your trades. Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep up with the stock market from your smartphone. So keep watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade stocks and keep up with the stock market from your mobile phone in case you're on the go, in case you're on the golf course, or in case you're just at work and you can't look at the market from your work computer. So let's get started. In this example, we're going to use the OptionsXpress mobile app. Now, there may be other apps out there that you can use, but for this example, we're going to use the OptionsXpress mobile app. So if you don't have OptionsXpress, let me just walk you through quickly how to download it. Click on the App Store. In the search bar, you're just going to type Options and then Express, and that's with an X. Hit search, and you can see the mobile app pops up. Now, we already have the app downloaded, so it's asking, do we want to open the app? But if you didn't have it downloaded where it says open, it would actually say download. You just click the download button, and it works the same on the Android phone as well. So since we have it downloaded already, I'm going to click on the app. Go ahead and log in with your username and password. And this is a demo account that I use for training purposes. So I'm going to log in using my demo username and password. Now, as you can see, if this was your real account, it's going to show you the account value, how much money you have in it, total gains and losses for the day if you're in any trades. It'll also show you right on the home screen your order status. So if you have any open orders you're waiting to get inside of a trade, it'll tell you have 1, 2, or however many open orders. And if any of them have been filled, it'll tell you right there as well. What's also pretty cool is if you look towards the bottom, it gives you a snapshot of what's going on with the overall market. So the first one is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. If you want to see what's going on with the S&P, just tap on the S&P, it'll switch. Click on the Comp Q to see what's going on with the NASDAQ. You can also tap on the VIX to see what's going on. If you swipe, you'll get a snapshot of gainers and losers on the New York Stock Exchange for the day. If you want to see some of the other exchanges, just tap where it says New York Stock Exchange or NYSE, and then you can switch to AMEX, and then you can also switch to the NASDAQ to see what the gainers and losers are on those exchanges. If you swipe again, you're going to be met with the news. So if you just want a quick snapshot of what's going on with the news in the market, you can check that out. There's also Idea Hub, which is OptionsXpress's suggestions of different trades and different things like that. So you can go in there and see if you can get some ideas. Now, what I really like about the mobile app is from the home screen, I can get a quote or I can actually place an option trade. So let's go up here to the top where it says quotes. I'm going to tap on that. Let's use Apple stock as an example. So if I click on the stock, it'll pull it up and it'll give me real time what's going on with the stock. So this is one of my favorite parts about the app, is that it's real time streaming quotes. So you can see as we're doing this tutorial that the price is changing almost every second here, because that is a real time stock quote of what's going on with Apple currently as the market is open. So that's pretty cool to see real time what's happening with the stock right here from your cell phone, the volume, open, low, high, close, all that good stuff. But the instant changing of the stock price is very beneficial when you're trying to make a move or a decision on the go, so that you can see real time what you're going to pay for the stock if you're getting ready to buy it. If we swipe again, it's going to give you the chart of what's going on with Apple. And you can see this one shows an intraday chart. So it's showing from 9:30 of the market opening till current time. Now, I'm not sure why the iPhone up top says 9:41, but it's currently about 3:41 p.m. as we're doing this recording while the market is open. So that's why there's almost a full day's worth of data on that chart. Now you can swipe again and get news that's just only on Apple. And then you can get the fundamentals, which is really cool. So if you want to get some fundamental information before you place a trade on the go, it's right there. And then you can look at the analyst recommendations. You can also get earnings information, all just by swiping from right to left. And then you can get some option statistics. Okay. Now, if you want to trade an option, up top, you see it says option, it says future. Just click on the option button. And let's just say I wanted to buy December 2015, $90 call options for Apple. So if I just hit done, you can see the details of that option. It's going $25.80. So let's just say I wanted to trade that. And you can see on the screen, it says Apple December 2015 $90 call option. So if I hit trade, it'll take me into the trade screen. So BTO means buy to open. I could also buy to close. So if I was already in this position, I want to close it out. I can sell to open if I own the stock and I'm doing something like a covered call. I can also sell to close if I want to close out that covered call. If for some reason I change my mind on the December option, I can just click there and go out to January or make a different decision right there on the spot. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to buy 10 of those contracts. I can put the 10 in there. It'll tell me what the bid and the ask is going for. I can also set if I want it to be a market order, a limit order, or a stop limit order. Once I hit, I can do two things. I can hit trade calculate, which will actually calculate the profit and loss areas of this trade for me. And then it'll also show me a little bit of a graph down there, which is really cool. I can hit trade and go back and hit preview. And what the preview will do is it'll tell you how much money you need to actually place this trade. So if you don't have the money in your account, you can see here saying you need $10,629 in buying power. So if you don't have the money in your account, it'll tell you. Also, if you had the money in account, it's just going to give you a little bit of a warning before you actually place the trade. So if we had the money in there, we could place the trade. Let me show you one other thing that's really cool about the app. You can hit menu and you can go into watch list. And so you can see all the stocks that you're watching on a daily basis. So I can scroll through my watch list, get an idea of what's going on with all the stocks that I like to watch. And also those stocks are changing price real time, as you can see here. So very, very, very cool and powerful app. There's a lot of other things under the menu like settings, movers. You can get quotes. You can look at different charts. But I just wanted to kind of cover some of the top features that you may use this app for. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and go ahead, download the OptionsXpress app so that you're in the know while you're on the go. So now that you know how to keep up with the stock market from your cell phone, there should be no excuse why you're not placing those trades. If you're looking to learn more about the stock market, check out my free videos off to the side here. There's a free webinar where you can learn more about the stock market, as well as if you don't have a stock trading account, there's a video that'll show you how to open your first stock trading account. I'm Jason Brown with thebrownreport.com. I'll see you on the next video. Here's the scenario. You want to keep up with the stock market, but you work. Okay, let's do that over. Yeah. So now you know how to leverage the power of the OptionsXpress stock. Now I'm getting a call. Hello?
Did you find your microphone?
I did. I was in the middle of shooting a YouTube video.
Oh, I'm sorry. I kind of had a feeling that happened.
Oh, come on.
It happens.
Cut.